What's up, Reddies? We're so excited you joined us today. What are we drawing today, Jane?
Christmas unicorn.
Speak up. What are we drawing?
Christmas unicorn.
That's right, a Christmas unicorn. We're so excited to have you, and we're so happy that you chose to watch Bread for Kids, aren't we?
Yeah.
All right, so all you need is something to draw with. It could be a marker, crayon, pencil, whatever you want.
Or a two-lid marker.
Or a two-lid marker and a piece of paper. All right, are you ready to do our Santa unicorn?
Yes!
Let's get started. All right, grab your paper and something to draw with.
Okay, let's do this. Oh, yeah.
Ready. So we're gonna start with our Santa hat up in the top and then our unicorn face on the bottom half of the paper. Sound good?
That big?
Yeah, we're gonna do a big one. It's gonna be fun. Okay, so first, let's get the bottom of our Santa hat. Should we do like a fluffy one or like a straight line one?
Straight.
Straight line. Okay, cool. Easy. Everyone, straight across. Whoop. Can you do that, Jane?
I want to do fluffy ass.
All right, well then do a fluffy line.
Fluff, fluff, fluff.
Fluff, fluff, fluff.
Fluff, fluff.
Ooh, good.
Fluff, fluff.
All right, too far. Oh, you almost ran out of space. All right,
I just found it.
readies, and then we're gonna do the sides of our Santa hat. So I'm gonna do a little curve up
Fluff, fluff.
and a little curve up.
Fluff, fluff, fluff.
Good job.
Anyways.
All right, now we're gonna go over to the other side. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boom.
Fluff, 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 fluff.
Nice. Good job.
This
We
is fun.
for ours, we're gonna have to take ours down a little. Let's just drop this down a little.
Okay.
Yeah, drop yours down a little.
No, a lot.
A lot.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Perfect.
Ours is gonna be a
All
tiny.
right. So now we're gonna do our unicorn ears. So I like.
Okay.
Let's do some pointy ones this time. So let's go out of the hat. So I like a diagonal. So let's go triangle there and triangle down. Can you do that?
What's gonna be right there?
Well, that's where so it's gonna be like poking out of the Santa hat. So like we're gonna do like a poking out of the Santa hat like that. Oh, up on the top. You're on the side.
Like right there?
Yeah. And then triangle down. Perfect. And
another
then
here?
same thing over here. We'll do our line for like the Santa hat.
What the?
Like the Santa hat, like that line there.
Oh, I didn't do that.
And then we'll go out and up. Another triangle. Can you do that, Jane?
I'm gonna start with the triangle.
So good.
Whoop.
Now, we're gonna do a little curve there. That's where our unicorn horn's gonna come out of the Santa hat.
Okay, this is tricky.
It is a tricky one, huh?
Uh-oh. We don't have room.
It's okay. We'll do like a short, like a cute unicorn horn. So we'll just do, we know how to do unicorns. We're so good at it. We're just gonna go triangle, up and
Not that
down. Woohoo! Oh yeah, real little one. And then how do we always do it, Jane? We go like this. We go like a S line, nice and slow and smooth. S line, S line. Cute. You're gonna have a little cute horn.
Oh, that is so tiny.
That's so cute. You're gonna have a cute little horn. Okay, now we're gonna have our hat come up and fold over, and we're gonna have our Santa ball over off to the side. So watch me, Jane. Really easy. Ready? We're gonna go from the middle of this ear. We're gonna go up from the middle and then down
Where's the
behind the
pom-pom
middle of
gonna
this.
be?
I'll show you. Okay, let me just show you since she doesn't understand. Then it's gonna come down here, and we're gonna do our little cute,
Pom-pom.
fluffy Santa ball, and then boom.
Mine
Oh, it looks so good.
needs to be blue.
I think you ran out of space for yours, huh?
Let me
You could just do the top of yours, and then we'll just pretend like the ball's behind it. You won't have a ball.
I'll just do a little shoot.
Oh, you know what? Or you can even bring it down over here. And just have a small
Can you
ball.
do dots?
Yeah. Let's do this, Jane. So go from here and at least connect to your ear there. Do
Okay,
that step.
first step.
Yeah, do that step. Perfect. So that's the top of the hat. And then we'll just have your ball. You're gonna go from a dot here to a dot there.
Okay.
And then a dot here to a dot there. So just connect it up and up.
What?
And then make your ball here.
Okay.
You're just gonna have a smaller ball.
Right there.
Yep, and bring it down to the lines.
To the dot.
Yep, to the dot.
Dot.
And then the other one, just bring it up. Perfect.
Ah.
Yeah, it's okay.
Mine is tiny.
Just make it tiny.
Come. Straight.
Yeah. Woohoo! Then connect it. Boom. All right. Okay. And now we're gonna do our unicorn hair coming out of the Santa hat. Okay. So let's go like maybe a little over from the middle, and let's just go down
What the?
like that, and then up.
Oh, that's the hair. I thought it was like
Yeah.
a face.
Good job. And up into the side. All right. Now we're gonna make our cute little, it's like an oval. So we're gonna come down and around. Not quite like a circle and not too long because we want it to be like a cute little unicorn. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna start here. So you're gonna start like right around there. And watch me.
There.
We're gonna just come down and around and up.
Okay.
Ooh, mine's a little,
Fudgy.
I should have went a little out more. So maybe I'll fix that on an edit. But right now, I like it. It's
like
cute.
You did. You changed.
All right, so your turn. So yeah, come down. I would put like a dot for you here. You can even go behind.
Oh.
Go to there. And then come out the bottom and go around.
No, I don't want to do that. That's
Okay,
so
try
fluffy.
your best.
Oh yeah, that's what I want.
There you go.
Perfect.
Cute.
I like the big hair.
You're gonna have a big old hair. Oh, and then for our unicorn hair, let's go ahead and connect it. Let's go three. Let's go 3 colors. So let's go
Connect 4.
1, 2, Breadies, just like that.
Oh, I thought we were going to do 4. If we did 4, that would be 5.
Just scoot over. We're getting off the camera here. All right.
Oh, that looks...
Now we're pretty much done. Let's throw in our inner ears. So that's easy. Just boom, boom.
Or you could add a fluff.
Yeah. And then boom, boom. Perfect. Now my favorite part. Let's do hearts for the nostrils.
O?
Remember? No, the eyes and the nose. That's it. So
Why do you say the O?
Oh, because I had an idea. I was like, oh, let's do hearts for the nostrils. Can you do those little hearts for the nostrils?
Tiny.
Cute.
It's so weird.
And now, cute eyes. One eye here and one eye here.
Can you teach me how to do good eyes?
Yeah, you just gotta practice your circles. That's a really good eye. And your other eye. So cute.
Now how to...
And then what do? I do a little circle
Oh, that is so hard.
and a big circle. A little circle and a big circle. And then I color it in.
I know what it looks like. Oh, that is so cute.
That's so awesome.
Yeah, I want to do that.
And that is it, Breadies. You have a Santa unicorn. So cool. we're gonna fast forward through our coloring. We're excited. We're gonna get some unicorn colors here. Of course, we're gonna have the red Santa hat. So stay tuned to the end to see our finished product. We're so glad to have you here. We'll see you at the end, Breddies.
Still all
All right, Breddies, real quick before we colored, I want to fix this part real quick, and Jane wants to make her face match her hat a little more. So what did we teach you before? Grab another piece of paper, throw it on top,
we do that?
the donuts, the donut one,
Oh, yeah.
and throw it on top, and then watch this. This is all I want to fix on mine is just this circle. I want a little bigger. So all I do is I do that. I just come right here, and yeah, and I come right here, and I fix that error that I didn't like, and I just go from there. And now I have everything else the same. So I'll fast forward through this part.
That is this.
Yeah, we did it. We showed you guys first on our donut when I didn't like my circle. So just to show you, I didn't like how I went in too far. And now I'm ready to go. So I'll fast forward this part, show you guys in the end. Countdown?
Yeah.
What do you want to do? A countdown this time?
Yeah.
All right, you gonna do it? 3, 2, 1?
No.
What do you want me to do it?
10.
10? The Breddies don't have 10 seconds to waste. All right, Breddies, ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Put yours down.
Christmas Santa Claus
Yeah.
unicorn. How cool
Yeah.
is that, Breddies? I hope you guys had so much fun drawing with us today. We're so glad you came and joined us on Bread for Kids. You just hit me in the nose. Me and Jane had fun. We hope you did too. Stay tuned for more drawings, and we can't wait to do more, huh? Isn't that right?
Yeah.
Oh, and remember, like and subscribe for us. We love it. And that's it. Hope you had fun. Bye, Breddies.
Bye. It was funny that I hit you.
Mine's better than yours.
What?
Mine's better than yours. The Breddies, mine's better than yours, huh?
No! Mine is.
Yours is alright.
Promise me love. Yours is better.
That's pretty good.
No, mine is.
That's pretty good, Breddies.
Mine is.
Check out the details.
No, mine is.
Check out the color of that unicorn. Yours is only purple.
Hey. But you used a poop color.
Yeah, I wanted the lighter yellow. I used the wrong yellow. I got tricked.
So mine is better.
Anyways, yours
And it
looks good.
hurts. Yeah, because I had hurts.
Yours is really good.
Yours was bad. Come here.
All right, let's close up shop. Get the van back in here.
Why do you want the van back?